I'm Brianne with Hair by Brianne, and I just want to let you know that Artego has 4 treatments that can cover an array of concerns with your client. My client today has discussed with me that her hair feels lifeless, it needs some rejuvenation, it feels limp, and it's lacking moisture and protein. One of the great treatments that Artego has is the Dream Repair system, which is going to give her exactly what she is needing to cover her concerns. First step is you want to wash your client's hair with the Dream Repair shampoo. You want to massage it gently for 2 to 3 minutes and repeat if needed. Once your client is towel dried and brushed out, the next step is you're going to take the Dream Repair K fluid. You're going to put it into a bowl and apply it with a brush. Apply it about a ½ inch from the scalp, and you're going to gently put it into the hair. Do small sections like you would do an application for a color. Once the K fluid has been applied, you're either going to put it underneath a heat source for 10 to 15 minutes, or you're going to dry the hair completely. The whole point of the K fluid is that it restructures and smooths the hair shaft, and 2 of the main ingredients is oil base, so it is going to feel basically like you just dried hair with conditioner on it. So the next step at the bowl is we are going to rinse this, we're going to towel dry it. We're going to apply the Dream Repair mask, a vial of the lotion, and she's going to sit at the bowl for 5 minutes. Now that your client is rinsed and towel dried, the next step you're going to do is blow dry her. One of the products I'm going to use prior to styling is the new Touch Style Art Wax. What you can do is you can add that in when the hair has been towel dried. I like to put a little bit of it at the scalp to kind of act as like a nice little root lifter, but it gives it a nice matte finish too. Once you've blow dried the hair after you finish the mask, the next thing you want to do is run a flat iron through it to seal the treatment. Once you finish the treatment in the salon, your client can take home a lot of these products to prolong this treatment at home. And I'm going to show you 2 different ways that your client can do that. The post shampoo and the Dream Repair mask will be needed for both of those. The Dream lotion also acts as a protector for color and also as a sealant. At home, they're going to want to apply it to the Dream Repair mask, or they can use it alone, which comes with a spray bottle that they can put it into. If your client chooses to mix the lotion with the Dream Repair mask, it's just like what we did at the bowl. They're going to mix them together, they're going to leave it on the hair for 5 minutes, and then they're going to rinse. The second option is that once they are done with the shampoo and they are done with the conditioner, they're going to put the vial into the spray bottle, spray it on towel dried hair, make sure it is not dripping. Then they're going to use a fine tooth comb to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Once they are done combing it through, then they're going to rinse. The shampoo comes in a liter and an 8 ounce for either at home or back bar use. The Dream Repair mask comes in a 5 ounce tube for retail or a 16 ounce tub for back bar. When you are purchasing the lotion, it does come in 4, 12, and 24 packs.